Samsung Galaxy J8 unboxing by TechPra. Hey guys, welcome to my channel TechPra. So today I'll do the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy J8. So let's start unboxing. Before watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Let's see the box first. So the Indian price is rupees 19,999, almost 20,000. And here is written that Indian SIM card only, and here is the branding of J8 Infinity in bracket. And here are some barcodes to scan. Nothing more to see outside the box. So let's open the box and see what the box contains. So here's the Infinity display phone. That's the J8. This is the phone. Other contains some basic paperwork, quick start guide, etc. You can see here. Next comes the travel adapter. There's the charger. It's a very fast charger. The rating of the charger is 5 volts, 5 volts, 1.5 amperes. Now comes the data cable of USB Type C and the basic Samsung earphones. This is the basic earphones and the data cables that you will get in the all Samsung phones. And the SIM toolkit. This is a SIM toolkit. So let's keep the other box contents beside and let's talk about the phone. So the phone comes with 720p plus Super AMOLED Infinity display, 64GB internal memory. The front camera is 5 megapixels and the rear dual cameras are 16 megapixels. You can click pictures like a DSLR camera with the help of live focus option only in the front camera. That's the rear camera. You can see me now. So as you can see, the camera will also get the option of selfie focus. Here we will focus the face that you click and blur the background. I click one photo. So this was the phone. I had bought one thing that the back cover of the phone, it cost only rupees 150. It's not transparent. It's a translucent opaque. So I'm just fixing it with the cover. So it's getting very heavy. So here's the front camera, the noise cancellation, and the selfie flash, and the front flash for clicking selfies. Next come the fingerprint scanner, then the dual cameras, and the rear flash. So here is the charging port, the headphone jack, and the mic, and here is the power button and the speakers. The phone is cool. So nothing more to see here. In this phone you will get the option of face ID unlock and fingerprint. The battery is of 3500 mAh and it's a mid-range phone of Samsung. I hope you like the video. Please like the video, share and subscribe, and you can comment also. Thanks for watching.